Hey, what's up y'all, Shiba Army, Shiba Inu holders and Shiba Inu Pro supporters. I'm going to share some of the very interesting and important stuff about Shiba Inu. Many people reached out to me asking why Shiba Inu is going down. I have done a lot of research and I'm going to share some of the key takeaways that you want to know why Shiba Inu is trending downwards, why we are seeing lower and lower volume in Shiba Inu, and what is the future holds for Shiba Inu. What's in the store that Shiba Inu needs to offer, that can offer. So watch the full video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button as well, because I do a lot of research and you want to get time sensitive updates that is timely to get the best advantage of the situation as to what's going on in the financial market. I do a lot of research not only in crypto, also in the stocks, and we have been talking on this channel pretty successfully in terms of the stocks, some of the penny stocks that we started talking late last year and this year, cryptocurrency and a lot of penny stocks. So without further delay, let's talk about Shiba Inu and what's going on. We are down 10 to 11%, as you can see right here, around the 8 level price point. We went to 11.75, so almost close to 12, and we got back down. If you take a look at the last 7-day chart, I'm not seeing any concerning trend or I'm not seeing any bearish trend, but I'm going to share why this potentially is down right at this point. One of the reasons that you also want to look into is the overall volume is down. We are showing lower and lower volume. This is one of the lowest volume after a long time that I have seen, 683 million. If I do 3 months, you should be able to see how the volume is going down and down and down. If I do 1 month, you'll be also able to see that this is one of the historically lower volume for Shiba Inu. But if you take a look at the price point, I do believe that the price is not definitely, I would love to see the price around here, around 15, 16, 17, which is 2 times than this price point, right? So we're looking at 100% gain more or less to get there. So it's not a big thing for cryptocurrency to deep or cut in half, in other words, or it shouldn't take too long when the buzz is back for cryptocurrency. Now this deep is not just Shiba Inu. One of the things that you want to consider is the AMC short squeeze that has been happening, which is one of the big thing. Now why this is a thing, I'll tell you. Many people who invested in cryptocurrency right now, they originally invested in penny stocks, and I have been seeing a lot of Reddit, lot of posts on Twitter, lot of tweets from people and the investors, and a lot of YouTube videos. So what I think I found out is the trend is towards back to stocks right now, mostly for AMC and some of the meme stock, if you will. I personally do not consider AMC as a meme stock, but as you can see what happened right now, AMC is only 15% up, but today's trading session. But if you take a look at for 5 days, it was trading around $12 and we are seeing $31, $32. It went as high as right here, you can see $33, $34. Now if you take a look at for 1 month, AMC is up 186%. This is once again a return, crypto type return, but a little bit more surety because there's a company behind it, there's a business behind it, and there are assets behind it. Now if you take a look at the 6 months, you will be amazed. It's up 629%. AMC is up 629%. In other words, if someone invested $1,000 in AMC before 6 months, they turned into $6,000. So this is kind of crypto type return, and there are intersection. There are like there is definitely some combined interest with all this meme stock, with all this short squeeze, with the dogecoin holders, with the Shiba Inu holders. Now, if you take a look right here, one more thing I wanted to point out is there's a little bit of shift of interest, right? So the first shift of interest is AMC. And I've been studying financial market and the financial circumstances for a long time. Now, if you think that Shiba Inu focus is going to be there forever, it may not be there. It can be kind of a sine wave, or you can say it could be kind of a cosine wave. So it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. Now, if you are not really a swing trader, if you are not really a day trader, if you want to hold a particular coin for a long time because you invested the money that you're willing to lose, because that money that you invested doesn't keep you up at night, you don't wake up and think about like, oh, what's going to happen to the $500 that I invested in Shiba Inu, then you shouldn't worry, because one day all these coins will go somewhere. And we have seen what happened to Dogecoin. Dogecoin was one of the most weird cryptocurrency. Right now it's trending at number 12, right? So, and it is 31.32 cents. And I'm not saying the deep is just in Shiba Inu. If you take a look right now, HODL coin is on, or the token is on the top right now with a very, very low price. And we are seeing in the last 24 hours, it is up 132%. So once again, a new coin. But if you take a look once again, I want to take a look right here and I will show you what the volume looks like right now. When we talk about volume, the volume is 14 million. So compared to Shiba Inu, it's a pretty small volume. Once again, the Shiba Inu volume was, even with this deep, even with the a little bit lack of interest, it's close to 700 million. So Shiba Inu is still 10, 15, 20 times more interest than what you're seeing in the HODL token. But one thing to definitely make sure is this is the volume spike, right? And this volume spike looks pretty amazing. And I'll keep you posted as to how this works out. I'm not saying this is a bad thing once again, because there will be shift of interest. Sometimes it goes high, goes down. It goes once again higher, goes down. So what you want to consider as an investor is, if you are a long-term investor in any of this cryptocurrency, any of this penny stock, any of this stock, not only penny stock, you probably shouldn't worry. Technically, AMC is out of the penny stock zone. It was a long time within the $3 or $4 range, as you can see right here. Think about it. If someone bought it at $2 or $3, they are turning that into 10 times return. $1,000 investment turns into $10,000. Many people might have invested $10,000 because, once again, AMC is a legit business. They have the business across the United States, one of the biggest entertainment holding company. We have seen what happened. It was in trouble with the lockdown. They lost close to $1 billion in revenue and probably the profitability as well. Got back up. There was a short squeeze. So the short sellers are crying out loud at the point where they cannot really go back, because they're going to lose. Not only individual investors I'm talking about big hedge fund. Now going back to Shiba Inu, once again, Shiba Inu is still number 3 and it is not a bad thing. And once again, the way I showed you the chart doesn't really seem that bad. It's not super bearish pattern. If you take a look, Shiba Inu is right now still ranked at 32 on CoinMarketCap. One of the good updates about Shiba Inu is just right here about the Shiba swap. When this is going to come out, it's right now in the audit state, which is in progress. So when it is going to have more updates, it's going to once again get all the buzz back into Shiba Inu. Now, request on Robinhood going pretty strong. 70,000 people have signed. One more thing about this letter, if this is true and if this is not really photoshopped version, this looks pretty promising that Robinhood at least looked into it. And once again, it's not that simple to flip the switch and just have Shiba Inu kind of support available into the Robinhood platform. There must be a lot more engineering efforts going on within it. Now, one of the things that you want to really look into, I look into the SHIB Informer tweet, and there are now close to 100,000 followers. This particular Twitter account has been giving a lot more juicy information. Now, 5 updates I wanted to share based on this tweet is the SHIB swap status. The second one is Wolf Paper status update, which is once again very amazing, very important that I want to share. Shiba Swap article status about the FUD article that was removed, about me posting less. So this person is posting less at this during these days, and once again, this is going to be a shift of interest as the human mind usually work. And some of the words about security delays and the Shiba swap, right? So one of the things is the audit found the potential issue in one of the mechanics in the Shiba swap. We have seen that multiple times for other cryptocurrencies. We saw that for SafeMoon. And take a look about SafeMoon. I do not even see SafeMoon in anywhere near to Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is definitely holding about SafeMoon, right? SafeMoon went all the way up, I believe, maybe like 15, 16, 17 levels. Right now at 4, like cut down 75%. Nothing against any coins, but but I'm just trying to say that this is not Shiba Inu. This is the entire cryptocurrency market that has this impact. But anyway, going back to these audit issues, they fixed some audits. They are going back to the auditor. Team is waiting for an update. When the audit is green, the swap will be released as soon as possible without any previous announcement. Wolf Paper 2.0 is something that people are waiting for a long time. So whenever the audit completes, whenever the developer decides about the Wolf Paper, the wordings and the language, they'll be also releasing that. One of the big catalysts, one of the reason could be they're waiting for the right time, because right now the crypto market is going kind of sideways in my opinion. SHIB swap article, the questionnaires for the core team, the material that they have content behind it. Some of the members have answered, not enough answers that they got. This fourth article I wanted to share. This article is, I believe this is the article, and this person has deleted the article from the site because of the Eddie Boy seems not involved anymore in this project. I don't advise anyone to do. So basically, there was a fourth article about the fear, uncertainty, and doubt that was removed from this this particular site or the web page. And once again, this is a crunch time based on what SHIB Informer says. Like basically, once again, going back to the interest, shift of interest, right? Nothing wrong about it. If you're holding for a long time, I don't think that you should worry about. But this is me personally. I'm not a financial advisor. What I want to say is click on the like button so this video can reach to more and more people. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with a lot more juicy, important, and information that matters the most to you in the next video.